Move skids and pallets easily and efficiently from floor to the truck with the steel truck dock plate. These durable dock plates are constructed of high-strength steel. They have safety locking legs that prevent slippage between the truck and the dock. The tread plate helps provide positive traction. Also comes with a beveled edge for smooth entry and exit. A chain pickup comes standard with all units. It is designed with 11-degree bend, located 9 inches from the beveled edge. The legs are 10 inches from the beveled edge. The steel truck dock plates are manufactured in compliance with OSHA. When using 3-wheeled pallet trucks, select capacity plus 20% due to concentrated load center of board. Capacities range from 2,600 pounds to 13,000 pounds. One can choose between 2 models, one with the 3/8 thickness for lower capacity loads, or 1/2-inch thickness for higher capacity loads. When transporting the steel dock plates, lock the chains together using the provided hooks. Next, put forks a few feet apart. Use the forks to lift underneath the chain while making sure the dock plate is correctly balanced. When you have arrived to the dock, simply place the dock in the space between the dock and the trailer. Both legs must be sitting inside the ledge. Unhook chains and drive out. Double check the capacity of the dock plate with the capacity of the pallet truck, electric pallet truck, or forklift you plan to use while in the trailer. If either of these are over the capacity of the dock plate, do not use. For more information on our dock plate capacities, look in the description below. Safely move in and out from the truck to the dock and back with the steel truck dock plate.